They know my story.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well today. Merry Christmas, and hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas with your family or just enjoying your Christmas period. So in this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful knotless goddess braids, and I do have all the hair details in my description box, especially the curly hair that I use for this tutorial as well. So I do get this hair from my local beauty supply, so I always forget to have the link or have the picture in my video. As you can see, one pack had 2 bundles and it's OT 27, so something like an ombre 27, because I'll be using the same ombre 27 braiding hair. So first I'm going to take one strand. Again, one pack had 2 bundle, and I probably will end up using about 1 pack or like 1.5 bundle for my clients. So I'm going to divide this one strand into 3, and I'm going to show you guys how I divide it. So first, you want to do the separation. It's going to look a little bit messy and frizzy and all that stuff, but don't worry, we're going to make it work. And then I have divided everything into 3 strands, and I'm going to apply my edge gel or edge control. You don't want to use, something that's like too sticky, so try to use like your hair cream or hair gel, just something that's going to work for you. And then that is how you prep the curly hair that you see me using in this video. As you can see, I'm also using the ombre 27 here, like a 3-tone base. So like you start with like a black and then brown and then blonde. So overall it looks like an ombre 27, but really it's actually like 3-toned ombre with 27 ends. And I do have the hair link in my description box as well. And for this hairstyle, I used about 7 packs of the braiding hair. I would just say get 8 to be safe, but I think 7 would definitely work. So as you can see, I had to start by braiding my client's hair first, and then I'm going to start fitting in my client's hair. And as we go, I am going to insert the curls, and you're going to see how I insert the curls as we go. So I'm going to make sure that my braiding hair is secured, and I'm going to take the curls at some point, which is now, and I'm going to try to insert it with the braid and hang one over there and just keep braiding. And at some point I'm going to hang the other one and just keep braiding. For one braid, I probably will insert 2 curls sometimes, 2 strands of curls sometimes, or sometimes I would just insert 1 curl. It just depends on how I feel and just how the fullness, or basically how full my client wants her curls to be like. And then I'm just gonna keep braid and just make sure everything is like coming together. So I think for this hair, my client wanted the curls to be like really full and just really nice and bouncy, and that was what I delivered to her or for her. Again, I do have the edge control link in my description box, as well as the route tail comb and also the hair. The only hair I don't have in my box was the curly hair, because again it's really hard to find. But yeah, it does work, and it doesn't really, because I've used this hair for crochet as well, like a really thick crochet hair, and I do have the crochet link in my description box as well. And it lasted for that was like my best, actually like my best and my most favorite crochet hair. It didn't really tangle or anything like that. Everything was just fine and just went really well. I didn't really have to dip this in hot water, because people always ask me if I dip my curly hair in hot water. I don't dip them. Maybe I will start dipping them or finding ways to dip them next year, but I don't really dip them. I just use like a really nice braiding hair so that my client's hair is not so stiff by the time she leaves my share. Again, I do have the edge control link in my description box, as well as the route tail comb and also the braiding hair as well. I'm trying to see if I left anything out, but I think I was very detailed in this one when it comes to the hair that I use and how I prep my curls for braiding. And also for the braiding hair, I sometimes fit the hair like 4 times or 5 times, depending on how much or how thick or small I prep the hair that I'm going to fit in. But for a medium, I would say like fitting your client's hair like 4 to 5 times usually it's like my my go-to numbers. But yeah, that'll be all for this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a whining on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me yard, say she give me pour me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, say me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Fake Kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty bad man. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Original. Original bad man,
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
original bad man. Body nice. See I got them here, them a moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man I tell her me she gone low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man I tell her me she gone low. Bad man I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
bad man up the beat, then a bad man up the beat. Bad man turn up the vibe, bad man turn up the vibe. Original bad man turn up the vibe, bad man turn up the vibe. Bad man turn up the vibe, bad man turn up the
It's
vibe.
fake kills.
Bad man turn up the vibe, bad man turn up the vibe.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sippin' on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feelin' on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me radar. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking, I don't think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing, I don't think so. Girl, pour me out, see me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me, y'all say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me radar. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty bad man. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sippin' on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feelin' on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me radar. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy yard, say she give me pommy yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pommy yard, say me pommy yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pommy yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. And bomb like them and watch it. They are pretty bad man. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Original.
Just say no. Just say yeah.
Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No. Just say yeah.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it